Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel noobs versus pros. We'll explore the fundamental differences in how each approaches tasks, from basic data entry to complex analysis. Understanding these distinctions can help you elevate your own Excel skills. A beginner often relies on manual processes, while a professional seeks to streamline and automate. Let's dive into what sets them apart. When it comes to data management, a beginner might spend hours manually sorting and filtering information. A pro, however, will quickly deploy pivot tables to summarize vast datasets and use advanced lookup functions like XLOOKUP or index match. They also master array formulas to perform multiple calculations efficiently, saving significant time and reducing potential errors in their work. Automation is where the true power of a pro shines. While a beginner might copy and paste data repeatedly, a professional will record or write macros to automate repetitive tasks, transforming hours of work into mere seconds. They also move beyond basic charts, creating dynamic, interactive dashboards that provide clear, actionable insights at a glance, making data much more accessible. Ultimately, the pro's approach leads to vastly improved efficiency and accuracy. They can handle massive datasets with ease, collaborate seamlessly on shared workbooks, and ensure data integrity through robust validation rules. This level of mastery not only saves time, but also provides more reliable results. For more great resources, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.